Evening folks, back out in the truck. Friday night, me and the lads have finished work. We did a few local lanes. Just met up with Jamie and Paul. We've got Mark joining us later. We're going to do a few local lanes and then end at the pub. Let's go. Got Mark with us now in his Range Rover Classic, just caught up with us. Not been out with us for a little while, but he's out tonight. A couple of quite easy lanes to start off with, but I believe we've got a nice water crossing to do later on, so I'm looking forward to that. Had a fair bit of rain recently, so it could be a fair bit of water about, but we'll see. But for now, a couple of quite easy lanes and wind our way over there. Cracking way to spend a Friday night. Well, just come to the watery bit. I don't know how deep it's going to be today, but I'm going to get the drone up in the air, I think. Paul's going first.
Yeah, it was 4 or 5.
And we've got Jamie. Then it's Mark. And I'm last in the trooper. Right, let's get this drone up and we'll get on through there. The idea with the drone was just to get it up and hover and watch the lads go through, but for some reason the drone didn't want to hover above the water, or it kept trying to go down closer to the water, so I kept readjusting. It's not the best drone footage in the world, but it gives you an idea. The first time I've tried to hover above water, I've flown above water, no problems, but hovering above water, the drone didn't seem to like it. So it's a bit sketchy, but it gives you a good idea. Right, I've bought the drone in because I don't trust myself flying it around all these trees above the water and trying to drive. So we're going through with the GoPro. Let's go. Nice one, Paul. Got a bit of tarmac in the way. Not been down here for many years. I don't even know whether this lane down here is going to be drivable still. So I'll have a little look on foot. It looks like it turned into a dog walking track in all fairness. If you fancy staying the night though, got accommodation for a couple. Yeah, it's been 10 years plus since I've been down here. So we'll have a little look. But it looks like it's pretty narrow anyway. I think we'd squeeze up. I think we would squeeze up. We'd get over the tarmac, no problem. I just don't know whether it's worth getting over the tarmac. Not too sure. You can see up there, it goes a long way. Well, we've had a look on Trailwise and can't get on no detail, but it doesn't flag it up as being shut or closed or anything. So there's tyre marks around it. So that's that. We'll scoot around the side there, no problem, won't we? Oh, you want to drive up and just see how far you can get before we come up? Jamie, I was going to send him up first, just make sure we can get through before we all go up there, because we ain't going to turn around in there. We sent Paul up first. He's had a drive up to the top. He said there's no obstructions or nothing further up, so we'll carry on. Push our way through. So, not been down here in 10 years maybe, perhaps more. Getting a bit tight, isn't it? Still. Yep, paintwork loves it. Bone dry. Well, them boys are shut off. Then we're on to the main A5. So, in typical trooper shit handbrake fashion, we've had to bank it so she don't roll down onto the A5. I am going to upgrade the brakes on this, that's coming soon. But shooting back at the A5 now, catch up with them boys. Just put the drone away. Hopefully you've seen some footage from that lane on the drone. I sent it up first of all and forgot to press record, so I'm getting the hang of it. Bear with me. I'll leave you there. I've got to catch these lads up. Yes, I'm a child, I know. A little bit darker than the GoPro says it is. It's about 10 to 9. Last lane, heading towards the pub. Been a cracking night. I've had the drone up a couple of times, which I hope you've seen. Hope the footage is worth putting in the video. But little short lane now bumps us back out right to where we want to be, opposite the pub. Just so happens it's the pub that I've done the patio for the other week. So I don't know if you follow on Instagram or not, but if you saw me at Instagram paving a pub garden the other week, this is going to be the pub we're going to pop out at. So happy coincidence maybe, but I'll take it. I think Paul's at the front having a row with a cow at the minute. So, there he was. Well, that's us at the pub. As you can see, got a new car park. We still can't get parked in there. Anyway, that's this Friday night trip to an end. Pub's calling. Cold beer with my name on it. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you next time. Cheers.